Okay. This is for Isa. This is for Isa. Isa, this is for you. Spirit guides and angels, show me the cards that I need to see. Show me the cards that I need to see for Isa, please. Show me the cards that I need to see for Isa. For Isa, thank you. Bottom of the deck is Ten of Cups in reverse. Itong Ten of Cups in reverse po, ang meaning nito is shattered dreams, broken families, sadness. So, feeling ko, Isa, something is really, really sad for you right now. Masyadong malungkot ang sitwasyon mo ngayon. I really don't know how to put it in a nice way kung paano ko sasabihin sa yung maganda. Kasi halos lahat ng card mo is very sad. And nakikita ko dito na you need to be very strong. You need to be patient, strong. Kailangan mong lakasan, tibayan ang nararamdaman mo. Because this is really the end of a situation. Kasi ang Death of Card is an end to a beginning. Kung makikita mo, nakalagay dito, death is also rebirth. So, ibig sabihin, may matatapos na sitwasyon sa buhay mo, but you are going to begin a new beginning. So, meron ding mag-uumpisang bago. I'm seeing here na hindi mo na 'to ilalaban. Wag mo nang ilaban. This is this is a defense card, no? So, kung naka-upright, kaso nakabaligtad siya, so, hindi mo na to ididepensa, hindi mo na to ipaglalaban, hindi mo na siya dapat, pilitin pang bumalik sa'yo or mag-ayos kayo. Because this is going nowhere. Wala nang kakaroonan to. The relationship has already got into its end. Talagang wala na, patapos na ito. Also, I'm seeing here that this person is no longer interested and looking the other way. Wala na akong nakikita na pagmamahalan pa sa lahat ng card na narito. It's very sad, pero it's no longer no potential at all. Hopeless na po talaga itong sitwasyon na ito, no? It's very, very hopeless. I'm very sorry, but that is what I'm seeing right now. Wala na po. Sorry, hindi na to, itong tao na to, hindi na siya, wala na siyang interes. Wala nang ayos, hindi na maaayos to. Wala nang pagmamahal tong isang taong to. At hindi na kailangan pang ipaglaban. You need to be strong, pero wag kang mag-alala kasi may bagong darating sa buhay mo. Okay? So that's for you, Isa. Thank you so much and talk to you again next time.